when you kind of like understand as a brand or a business your purpose or your why, and you tell stories that are connected to that, when I'm done watching it and I see your logo come up, guess what I'm going to feel? The purpose and the reason why you exist in the first place, why you are an organization, why you mean, what is your purpose for communicating to your audience? And the challenge is that social media, all they care about is that type of storytelling. You right now have the power to consume or not consume something. You're not to a television set where at the 2-minute mark or 5-minute mark, there's a commercial break. And if you want to get past this break, you now have to come on the other side of it and finish the content. You know, that's how advertising started so many years ago. It was like newspapers was where we had our first foray into